Mga kaibigan, isang magandang umaga ho sa ating lahat. We are just taking coffee first, no, mga kaibigan. Once again, mga kaibigan, good morning to all the people around the world, especially in our Facebook page, our followers here in different countries, in the Middle East, United States of America, and Russia, China, and many others. Good morning from here in the Philippines. Your strength is the power of this Facebook page, mga kaibigan. Kahapon, sa mga tanong ho, akala ko I don't think so. I'm just dreaming na-upload na ang yung ginawa ko kahapon regarding doon sa mga tanong. Pagising ko kaninang umaga ay hindi pala siya na-upload, mga kaibigan. So that's why I'm just reiterating right now. Once again, no, mga kaibigan, I am not expert here. I am not studying law and many others. I am not theologians and investigator and etc. No, mga kaibigan. I am just a simple human. I am belongs to the slap soil persons of this universe, mga kaibigan. Isang hampas lupa lang ho. Ang katanungan po ay mula doon sa tax declaration, doon sa paano magmamay-ari ng ganun, at saka yung na-award na mga lupa na under po sa tinatawag natin na CLUA, mga kaibigan, at saka yung pagkural, no? Pagkural sa bahay, ganun, mga kaibigan. Kailangan bang sundutin, no? I-discuss natin yan na in the little bit of knowledge, because I am not expert. It's only for the aid of your satisfactions. But if you want to be to satisfied in yourselves, no, mga kaibigan, just go to the expert, just go to the law firm, the lawyers, the expert, and the judges, and many others, mga kaibigan. Just go to over there asking for your knowledge in order for you satisfied to concrete your opinion that you have, that you need in your life, that you need in our life, mga kaibigan. Dito, mga kaibigan, ay ang tanong po ay parang tatluhin ko na lang po ito lahat. Ang katanungan pong ito, mga kaibigan, ano bang gagawin pag ikay magkural or to have a pinch of our residential lot, no? Pag ganun po, mga kaibigan, under the law, no, there is a provisions or there is a provided on that particular na mga tanong ho ninyo, ay kailangan po ng magsisit backing ho tayo ng id from the 10 to 20 to 30, no? Parang duha ka ruler. Huwag sundutin, no? Pag ganito, ito po yung muhon or the permanent marker, huwag mong sundutin yan. That is a violations under the law. Kay matabunan ang muhon, that is a violations. Either you have the case, no? Simpleng pagtabon lang ng marker, it can be done for you to case, mga kaibigan, no? Pwede ka kasuhan, no? Pwede ta kasuhan, ano? Huwag sundutin, magsisit backing tayo, either 10 to 20, maximum of 30, no? Ganon, centimeter, o ganon, mga centimeter man yata yan, mga kaibigan. At ito naman yung pangalawa, no? Yun lang po yung sa pagkural, ha. There is a provided law on that, no, mga kaibigan. I do not know. Dito naman tayo sa tax declaration or the TD. So, ang tanong ganito, dili ba sila certified owner? Yes, you are a certified owner also kung may tax declaration ho tayo, no, mga kaibigan. As far as I know, as far as the knowledge is concerned about this, mga kaibigan, it is provided by law, no, mga kaibigan. Yung tax declaration under of the Republic Act 7160 and Section 229, that is under of the city or municipal, mga kaibigan, under of the local government unit, no? Certified ba? Yes, you are certified. Much more certified yung magmamay-ari ng certificate, which is the Torrens title. no? Torrents, yung mga tawag ng mga torrents na yan, yung tinatawag na TCT, OCT, ganon. Yung TCT is the Transfer Certificate of Title, or OCT is Original Certificate of Title. There is a procedure. Kung gusto ho ninyo, mas mabuti pang doon tayo sa walang titulo talaga kaysa nag-a-assume tayo that there is a title on that particular land na pinoposition ho natin pero wala ho tayong titulo. You are the owner also if you have a tax declaration. Much more the owner yung may Torrens title talaga. Yung tinatawag nating Torrens title, yung pinakaunang titulo sa Pilipinas, yung tinatawag na OCT 01-4, di ba? Ito po yung titulo sa buong archipelago ng Pilipinas, which is the Torrens title of the archipelagic nation. So dito naman tayo sa tinatawag nilang ganito. So you are a certified owner also, sir. But much more may pagmamay-ari yung may titulo talaga. So just to inquire in the LRA, the Land Registration Authority, or the Registry of Deeds, mga kaibigan, puntahan po ninyo yan in order for you to have a knowledge, in order for have to knowledge about that. And also, CLUA. Ito naman yung tinatawag nating CLUA na ito, mga kaibigan. Just to understand, CLUA is all about the Certificate Land Ownership Award, either under of the CARP or just no, that is a certificate sa under sa Comprehensive Agrarian Reform, mga kaibigan, program or the law itself. So kung under yan sa CARP, kasi may nagtanong dito, only for the aid of your knowledge, sir, because the land is under by the land certificate land ownership award, it is under by the CARP or the mga kaibigan, no? Puntahan ninyo ang DAR because under of the CARP there is a provided, no, the provided period, grace period of 10 years that there is no selling of that land. You never been sell within the period of 10 years accordingly. But there is a procedure, no, mga kaibigan, pwede ninyong puntahan ang Department of Agrarian Reform, or which is the DAR, in order for you to have a knowledge regarding of that. Kasi marami pong nagtatanong ng ganito. So yan lang ho, mga kaibigan. And also, yung mga tinatawag na Ismen area, no, Ismen area, yung mga zone area na yan, no, mga kaibigan. Kung ito po yung Suba, Ilog, or the river itself, kung ito po yung titulo mo, may ano dito, may tawag tayong domain, no, may yung tinatawag owned by the government. From sa Suba or Ilog ba yan, from sa kanyang gilid, either 20 to 25 meters. Kung sa dagat naman, from the shoreline, from 20 to 30 to 35 meters. That is owned by the government. Yan po. That is a public domain. Tinatawag ng Kaya, yan na po, mga kaibigan, in the tax declarations, yung sinasabi ho natin. Yan na po ay provided by the 7160 Republic Act in Section 229 and also in the Civil Code, no, 555, Article 555, 559, 636, and Presidential Decree 1529, which is called a Registry of Deeds, I think, no? So just research on that and then just go to the expert, the lawyers, yung expert ng civil cases, ng mga civil code na yan, mga kaibigan, because I am not expert here. Only for your aid of knowledge for this, mga kaibigan, for this matter. So thank you so much to all of you here in our Facebook page, and also big shout out to all the lawyers who are listening right now. No, mga kaibigan, I am not an expert here. I do not like to be pretend myself to knowing everything, but only for the aid of those asking questions to answer a little bit of knowledge that I have. No, mga kaibigan, it is very important for us. So, just to discover the net and then just ask. Thank you so much to the expert.